Hi, today I'm part of NOKIA C12 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find somewhere here the screen record icon. Hold it for a while and before you'll start the screen recording you'll see here record audio switcher. When it's turned off you'll record only mute video. When you turn it on, just click on the switcher to turn it on. Here you will record only device audio or you will use the microphone to comment something. You could also just select it, or also you could use device audio and microphone together. After that, just click to start the screen recording, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.